Hello, my name's Alan Wagner. I'm the Curriculum Manager for Engineering, Motor Vehicle and Welding and Fabrication. Engineering at East Coast College is really a strategic part of the area. We have lots and lots of opportunities working with industry partners, from renewable energy to manufacturing. The courses are all designed to allow you access to employers. We have employers coming in as guest speakers. We have opportunities to go out and visit sites to really give you a flavour for what engineering in the east of England is all about. Starting in 2022, we'll have the brand new engineering T-levels in maintenance and repair being offered at our Great Yarmouth campus, alongside our level 3 provision at Lowestoft and Great Yarmouth campus that allows you to progress across 3 years and into our higher education programme, which can also take you up to level 6 B-Eng in engineering based at our Lowestoft campus. On the courses, there's an opportunity to be able to study at the Energy Skills Centre, which allows you access to industry-leading equipment, and that is also the facility where we will deliver our apprenticeships from, and it really gives you an opportunity to hone your skills to industry standards. The first 2 years are designed to support you into apprenticeship routes. The programmes are wide and don't focus on one specialism, so they leave many opportunities available to you. For those learners wanting to go on to higher education, there's the opportunity to take the 3rd year programme, which is designed to link directly into our University of Suffolk B-Eng in engineering programme. So there's a direct progression through with ourselves. However, all of our courses also have the opportunity to earn up to 98 UCAS points, and this would allow you access into university, and we've got some really good case studies of our learners going across the country to study engineering at higher education. Hopefully that's been able to give you a flavour of what East Coast College can offer you moving forward. I'm really excited about seeing you at one of our events, and hopefully as a student in 2022 and moving forward. Look forward to seeing you soon.